Looking for the best mini garlic chopper? Look no further than this comprehensive guide. We've compared the top models on the market to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're looking for a simple, handheld chopper or a more advanced option, we've got you covered. So let's get started. List number 1, Electric Mini Garlic Chopper. This mini food chopper is suitable for home, office, hotel and so on. With a powerful motor and high-quality 304 stainless steel blade, the food chopper will make your life more convenient, fast cleaning and easy to use. It has a 3-hour charge with its USB cable, and can run for up to 30 days in standby mode. The battery life is longer than any other mini food processor. Do not miss it. Make amazing dishes quickly and easily in your own kitchen with the powerful and versatile mini food chopper. And it's not just for fruits and vegetables, it's also great for shredding cheese, grinding meat, slicing desserts and so much more. Electric Garlic Press is equipped with a 60-watt powerful motor and 3 hard and sharp blades, which can easily chop garlic, onion, chili, parsley, shallot, ginger, peanut, and other common ingredients within tens, thereby saving you a lot of time. The capacity of the electric food chopper is 250 milliliters, just right to meet the demand of a small amount, without food waste. The blender cup has a magnetic safety lock. When the motor cover is removed from the blender cup, the motor will stop work. It comes with a lightweight and stylish design, which is very suitable for traveling, family outdoor meals, camping or other outdoor activities. The whole body of the mini meat chopper is waterproof and can be rinsed directly with water after use, fully clean after a flush. The blender cup and blade are detachable, will not residually stains, making cleaning easier. List number 2, Electric Garlic Chopper Mini. Garlic is an important part of culinary, but when you need to make it in a hurry, the electric food blender will save time and effort. With our mini electric garlic chopper you can chop garlic fast and easy. The mini chopper comes complete with a 3.3-ounce food processor, making it perfect for all your favorite tasks. The integrated magnetic child safety lock enables the garlic mincer to stay shut on its own without worry as you work on chopping up your favorite vegetable or when making quick salad dressings or dips. Ideal for camping trips and picnics, this mini food processor has everything you need to prep delicious meals while away from home or just cooking dinner at home. This mini electric garlic masher can be used about 35 times after full charged for 3 hours. It comes with a magnetic child safety lock design that ensures the garlic chopper will not start without closing the cover. This mini electric garlic masher adopts BPS-free material that is harmless to your family. For vegetables, fruits with hard skin, peel it off first. For hard roots such as carrots, beetroots, please preboil or microwave them first before using the food chopper. Violent installation is not recommended. The upgraded 45° 304 stainless steel blades are ultra-sharp and powerful. Low noise, high efficiency. The upgraded 45° 304 stainless steel blades are ultra-sharp and powerful. List number 3, Electric Mini Chopper Food Processor. The electric mincer food processor with its powerful motor and high-quality stainless steel chopping blade makes chopping and slicing of foods a breeze. Just put the ingredients in the food chopper, lock the cover and click the button to start work. The clear plastic lid is detachable and easy to clean. It comes with a bowl, which is dishwasher safe so that you can use it without worrying about getting the chopping blades dirty. If you are looking for an electric mincer that works quickly but still gets the job done well, then you have found it. This 250 megaliters food processor features compact volume and satisfied the small needs when traveling or camping. The electric mini chopper is made of food-grade PP and ABS material, BPA-free, and has a SUS 304 stainless steel blade. Just put the ingredients in the food chopper, lock the cover and click the button to start work. The safety lid, bowl, and chopping blades can be cleaned separately. The mini electric chopper is easy to chop, and grind various ingredient. Example: meat, onions, garlic, fruits, etc. And double electronic induction safety, switch design. Click the button to control the degree of shredding at will. Just need press the button unit, the processed food is done. List number 4. Pudum's Electric Mini Garlic Chopper. The Pudum's Electric Garlic Chopper has 2 bowls, 8.5 ounces and 5 ounces, which you can use for chopping nuts, ginger, garlic, onion and other vegetables. Both of the bowls have a high-performance motor which will provide a great performance for your munchies, like delicious garlic sauce. The pump action technology makes tasty sauces in seconds, quickly and effortlessly. Pudum's Electric Mini Garlic Chopper is a trusty helper when it comes to making your favorite dishes at home, durable and easy to operate one-touch operation. The cordless feature of this food chopper makes it extremely convenient for you to use on your kitchen table or wherever you want to chop your ingredients by yourself. The multifunctional electric mini food chopper is the easiest way to prepare delicious meals and snacks for your family. With the high performance and one-touch operation, simply put your ingredients into the food processor and press one button to mince them. Our portable electric chopper can be fully charged in 3-4 hours. So you can always have fresh food anytime. Upgraded 304 stainless steel blades of our garlic mincer provide fast chopping which will save your time. The Mini Chopper Electric has 3 blades for 250 ml bowl and 2 blades for 150 ml bowl. List number 5. RUPOHU USB Charging Mini Electric Garlic Chopper. The Mini Food Chopper is equipped with a 37W high-speed motor. The garlic food chopper can easily chop ginger, garlic, onion, chili, meat and other vegetables. Really suitable for personal and family use. This food processor is very simple and easy to use. Press and hold the top button to start the motor, and release it to stop. It makes you control the degree of food shred, very user-friendly. Ingredients such as garlic and onion can be chopped in just a few seconds. Electric garlic chopper comes with a food-grade PP blender cup and a 304 stainless steel blade. With motor cover design, the motor and motor cover can be separated and the motor cover can be cleaned separately, without peculiar smell, clean and hygienic. With magnetic safety lock design, when the motor cover is removed the motor will stop working to ensure your safety. RUPOHU USB Charging Mini Electric Garlic Chopper is a nice addition to your kitchen. This mini food processor can chop anything you throw at it. You can make ice cream, soup or even French fries in an instant. Be ready to impress your friends and clients with this handy gadget. The mini food chopper with 2 sizes of cups, convenient for you to choose. There are 2 cups of 100 ml and 250 ml. You can choose the corresponding cup to work according to different ingredients and volume. In addition, it is equipped with a spoon and a brush to facilitate you to take out the food and clean the cup.